For this project, I'm using some silk eucalyptus leaves. I have a couple of leftover ornaments from a wreath that I made, a round glass vase from Dollar Tree, some leftover moss, hot glue. I have a couple of Christmas picks. I'm not sure which one I'll be using. They're both from Dollar Tree. A candle. This is a slab of wood from a rustic wedding that my sister went to. The bride and groom had their floral centerpieces displayed on these, along with this little stump piece. There were candles, and she said it was beautiful. And there were so many of these left over that people did not take home with them. These were also the favors for the guest if they wanted to take them. That she was able to get a couple of them. So I lucked out, and I'll be using this one for my project today. You can buy a more finished piece like this from Marshall's, Home Goods, or anywhere like that. They're actually very finished. This one has feet on the bottom that were placed by whoever made these for the bride. But you can buy finished ones complete with the feet with a smooth finish on the top at Home Goods for about $12.